In this video, we will show the process of getting connected to a DirectLogic CPU through the StrideLinx VPN router. If you've not already set up your router, please see the videos for the initial setup in the description below. Once you've set up your router, then continue on to this video. Now we need to discuss the DirectLogic IP address. This is the IP address of the VPN router on the control side, and to remotely program your DirectLogic PLC, it must be on the same subnet as the VPN router and have the IP address of the router as its default gateway. This way, the DirectLogic will be communicating through the router. Now, it is very important that everything is a static IP address, as one limitation of VPN networks is that broadcast communications will not work, and that is what is used to auto-discover these type of devices. So let's set up the IP address of the DirectLogic 06 for the first time locally. Let's open up NetEdit 3. Now select Network and then Adapter and verify that you're scanning using the correct network adapter. Click on Scan Network and you should see your DirectLogic 06 CPU. Double-click on the CPU and enter in the information we discussed earlier. Now this will change the IP address of your CPU. Now that the PLC has been set up and shipped to the remote site, let's make our first connection through StrideLinx. Select your device, and then select Connect. Once the IX client is connected, open up your DirectLogic Programming, and then select PLC, and then Connect. Now we'll need to create a new link, so select Add, and then select Ethernet. Make sure UDP IP is selected, and then Next. From the Adapter section, select Windows Tap Adapter. Now select the link editor. Select your CPU type, and then select the Port tab. In the IP address portion, place the IP address of the CPU, and then select the Advanced Settings tab. Here I would increase your timeout time. This is the time that the software will use for this link to gauge if it has lost communications to the CPU. So increasing this time will overcome long communication time or spotty networks. I typically place this at 15 seconds and then increase if I have issues connecting. Select OK. Now give the link a name. And then select Accept. Now just select the link we had created and read in the project from the remote PLC. Now you'll be able to program and control your PLC from around the world with just an internet connection. A little safety disclaimer. Before you make any changes to your PLC remotely, take into account what you are activating and deactivating remotely, as it may cause an unsafe condition. It is always best to have local eyes on the equipment while making these changes. This is where the digital input on the VPN router can be useful. It will allow you to lock out remote changes until someone is there to monitor for safety purposes. If you have any questions about the Stride VPN router, please contact AutomationDirect support team during regular business hours. They'll be glad to help. Click on this video to learn more about AutomationDirect's many support options. Click here to learn more or see more about our many products, and click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel for upcoming videos.